Meaning of 18.
18.
18.
18.
18. 18 is a number that represents the quantity or amount of something, specifically the number between 17 and 19. It is also commonly associated with the coming-of-age milestone in many cultures, symbolizing the transition from adolescence to adulthood. At this age, individuals are considered legally responsible for their actions and are granted various rights and privileges. The number 18 also has significance in numerology and religion, appearing in many spiritual texts as a symbol of prosperity, good fortune, and completion. Overall, 18 holds different meanings depending on its context and cultural significance.